The book, Mang Yang, The Gateway to Heavens in Peace, by author Lê Thị Kim Sơn, is a memoir, not a fictional novel, recording everyday stories that are both realistic and human, about life, people, and social security, and order in the Mang Yang region of Gia Lai. Lê Tuấn Thành appears in the memoir as the central figure in the process of bringing peace to Mang Yang. He is a Khmer police officer, directly involved with the life of the people in the mountain pass, a place that once suffered from many outdated customs, superstition, and instability in security and order. The opening chapter of Mang Yang, The Gateway to Heaven in Peace, begins with an event that shocked the peaceful highland region. The mysterious disappearance of a young girl after the 2025 Lunar New Year holiday. The girl was a young and gentle girl of the Bana ethnic group. After spending the Lunar New Year with her family, she left home under the familiar pretext of visiting a relative. But she never returned. Not a single text message, not a single call, and no one knew her exact last known destination. Her sudden disappearance quickly sowed confusion and anxiety among her family, relatives, and the entire village. The warm, bustling atmosphere after the New Year suddenly became somber and heavy. Question arose: where did she go? Who did she meet? And what happened on her journey through the steep slope, forest, and desolate banks of Mang Yang? The girl's mother was a student in Comrade Lê Tuấn Thành charity class. After the mother reported the situation, Comrade Thành realized what had happened. The few fragmented clues only added to the mystery. After promptly reporting to their superiors, the authorities launched a search. Using professional techniques, they quickly pinpointed the girl's whereabouts and successfully rescued her more than 600 kilometers from home. From here, Chapter 1 not only recounts a missing person case, but also opens up a realistic picture of life in the highlands, where peace always goes hand in hand with hidden dangers, especially for young people who leave their villages in search of a livelihood. Following the somber and anxious atmosphere surrounding the disappearance in Chapter 1, Chapter 2 reveals different sides of Mang Yang. Quiet but heartwarming charitable activities such as donating suckling to villagers, providing social welfare gifts to the elderly and children, and donating houses to some disadvantaged families. Chapter 2 explains the reasons and circumstances that led Comrade Lê Tuấn Thành to actively engage in charitable activities, especially the charity class. The charity class helps villagers learn to read, write, and do basic arithmetic, opening up new learning opportunities. Most importantly, the charity class strengthened the bond between the police force and the local people in Hara commune. In the memoir, Mang Yang, the gateway to heaven in peace. In chapter 3, the character Cơ Son Hội does not appear as boisterous or central as Comrade Lê Tuấn Thành, but she is a character of special significance, contributing to the humanistic depth of the world. She is the wife of Comrade Lê Tuấn Thành, a woman from an ethnic minority group. She understands the custom and psychology of her people, and slightly supports her husband in approaching and winning over the people. Cơ Son Hội is portrayed with simple beauty, patience, and self-sacrifice. More than just a wife, Cơ Son Hội is also a symbol of empathy, companionship, and trust. She is a typical image of a hard-working, resilient woman of the Central Highlands, living for her family and community. In the following chapters, the author recounts stories about superstition, such as the Malay, a type of evil spirits that harms people, and about cult with their four doctrines, such as the Hamon cult and the Pharaoh cult. The Hamon cult is mentioned as a phenomenon that exploited religious belief to spread superstition and incite erroneous ideas among a segment of ethnic minority communities. Pharaoh is mentioned as a dark shadow of history that once hung over the Central Highlands, an organization that exploited ethnic issues to divide unity, incite violence, and oppose the government. Its obvious harm was that people abandoned their fields, stopped working and producing, avoided community activity, and even engaged in acts of defiance, causing a lot of security and order. Faced with this situation, local authority, law enforcement, and influential figures persistently campaigned, explained, and persuaded them to gradually return to normal life. In the memoir, Mang Yang, the gateway to heaven in peace, the author does not dwell on the painful past, but emphasizes the process of resolving hatred, strengthening the people's faith in the party, the state, and the part of national reconciliation. Today, thanks to the unity of the villagers, the attention of the party and the state, and appropriate development policies, the village has taken on a new appearance, a new life of happiness and prosperity. Today, when visiting this village at the foot of the heavenly gate, everyone can feel the clear chant. The achievement the village have today are not only due to the timely and appropriate attention of the authority at all levels, but more importantly, to the spirit of unity, perseverance, and the effort of the people themselves. It is a story of transformation, of fight, and hope for a brighter future.